Hello traders, let's see how to identify important support and resistance levels using price action. I have throat infection, my voice is bad, so bear with me throughout this video. It is easy to identify important support and resistance levels using price action, and let me explain it to you easily. The important turning points, we'll consider them as supports and resistances. Here is a turning point, and another one is here, and another one is here, and another one is here, and again another one is here, and we can see these as also support and resistance levels. Another one, and there is another. This is a resistance. If it's rejecting from a price point, it is a resistance, and if it's going higher from a point, it is a support. These are support levels and these are resistance levels. If it's making a red candle from a rejection point, that is a resistance, and if it's forming a green candle from a support area or buying zone, it is a support level. And one more important area is here, support area, and here is a rejection area, support area, and this is also one of the support area and rejection area. And out of these support areas and rejection areas, which one are important, which one are not important, I am going to explain you that, because you may be confused by seeing all these turning points. Here is one more support area, and we can consider this as a support area as well. If you go down into 5 minutes time frame, I'm using 15 minutes, so you may be seeing like this, but if you go down into 5 minutes time frame, you will see this as another turning point. So how to identify which one to consider as a support, important support and resistance, and which one is not that much important. If the support or resistance area are at the lowest point of the range or highest point of the range, this is the lowest point of the range for this price action, so this is important support area. And this is not at the lowest point, but this is also one of the important, because after this support, this is another support, and we'll call this as higher low if there is any other support. And if there is any one more support area like this, we'll consider this as another higher low. This one is important and this one is important. There is one more resistance area here, and which is collides with this selling area, and this is also important until it is not broken. Once it is broken, this area and this area are not valid anymore. These two areas are not valid, and this is valid support area and this is valid support area. And let's mark other support and resistance levels. This is one more resistance area, and here it is one more support area. Another support area is this area, and another resistance area. Here it is one more support area, another resistance area, one more support area, resistance. Here it is one more support area. Let's see which one of these supports and resistances are important. If you want to test your knowledge, you can just write down on a paper. Out of these, give these as numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of these 8, which one is correct support and resistance area, and which one is a support or resistance area? Note down on a paper or write it in the comment section below. This will be like a practice session for you, and I'll reveal you after some time. You just pause it here and write it on yourself, so that it will become a good practice. First, let's mark which one are important support areas. This one is an important support area. This is rejected here first time, and after that it got rejected. If it's broken here, it is not going to be an important resistance area anymore. It rejected, so it is important resistance area, and here also it rejected, so it is important resistance area. And for support area, here it respected this level, so it is an important support area. This level is still valid even after this price action. This level is still valid, and this is also an important support area. As of now, I am not seeing this chart, this side chart. As soon as it formed, this is important support area, and as soon as this level is formed, this is an important support area. Okay, after breaking this level, after it broke this level once, this is not anymore important support area. That you should understand. And after that, this is an important resistance area. This is another important resistance area, because here price got rejected and broke this level and this level. This is around a market closing time. Anyone who bought here should have exited after breaking this level. So this is an important resistance level. And there is a one more support area here around this point, this low point, but it got rejected. Still here it is valid. Before breaking this level is still valid. There is a pin bar here, pin bar candle, and this level is also valid. After breaking this level is not valid. This one is not valid, and this one also, it is not valid after breaking this level. And it tested this level, and there is a support area. This level is a still valid support area. And this level is also, I'm using different colors, so don't get confused. This is also important resistance area, because this level is not broken as of now. So this is also important resistance area. I hope you are clear on these points. I think in this way you can find out important support and resistance areas. I hope the concept is clear. You just practice on a few other charts, or you can use a replay future, and you just practice without knowing what's the next bar is. Just go to random time frame and practice without knowing the chart. What is the next candle or next day's chart pattern without knowing. Just practice it and see the outcome. Note down on a paper or mark it on the chart and see whether you are right or wrong. And the rules are simple. If it's not broken, it is a valid. Once the next price action breaks that level is not valid anymore for the next price. And that's the simplest concept. I hope you can use this knowledge and you can find the important support and resistance areas in your trading journey. And the turning points are the support and area levels. That's an important point. And that's all for the video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Or if you want to give me any feedback on the videos, you can send me a message on the WhatsApp. You can see the number on screen. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications.